So to celebrate 200 subscribers, me and Tayson put down honey bunches on the floor.
Yeah, to see who can pick up more.
Yes. We have a whole floor full of honey.
You have the whole bag too. Still.
Yeah, and the robots we have is a Shark Ion and a 690.
Let's just Shark first to see what it can do first.
I was so...
It
It's being a smart vacuum, it doesn't want to pick up the mess. ASMR. Oh, it crunch. It picked another up. Oh, that's good. Get the Roomba, get this out of the way, so I have space.
Oh, careful.
Oh, yeah, I'll put it right here.
You should put it on top of it and do a...
Resume. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I got the 690.
Go yeah.
Which is mine.
These are both his.
Which one doesn't like to stay?
This one I was given to me, then I gave to him. Because I already have a bunch of Roombas that you already...
Well, that's one benefit that this one has, it dirt detects.
Dirt detect. You get a... It does not have sensitive bumpers like mine, though. And his brushes are louder than mine.
Yeah, they're a lot louder. It picks up a lot better, though.
It's just probably just the carpet, probably.
Oh, God. This is a big piece.
I got a big spot. Oh, it crunched, though.
Oh, that's my knee.
That sounds so bad. My mom would be cringing right now. She's a nurse. Oh, well, was it good?
This one's much better than this one.
This one doesn't have dirt detect. There's some up close shots.
How much faster it's picking up too, though?
It actually almost got everything, though. We just has to get that final stretch. And there you go, everybody. Alright, there we go. So this is the... Thanks again, guys. We'll do something even more crazier for 300 subscribers. We'll have to think about that video. Or stream. This is what the 690 looks like, in case anyone who lives in another state doesn't have this Roomba model. That's what that looks like. Here's how much it picked up. And that's what that one got. That actually got a lot more, I feel like. Like, you can compare the dust. Jump it out. Like, so here's the update of who picked up the most. This is how much the shark picked up. And this is how much the Roomba picked up. Why this crushed more honey potion? And it actually got hair too, which is hard to see on camera. Because this thing has 2 brushes on the bottom. This one has 1.
Yeah, I can actually show you the...
Or that one has 2 side brushes and 1 brush. This one has 2 main brushes and a really good side filter. Well, side brush, a side filter.
Should we run it into this and see what it does?
Let's see. Let's do that.
Careful.
Huh?
You just kick the...
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna have it run, and then hopefully it goes straight, so I can
Oh,
see what it can do.
It would was so much.
Hell no. It shot all over the place.
It went underneath the thing.
That's fine.
And I'm about to say, should we let the shark to pick up his own pile and then the Roomba pick up? And then you hear that noisy side brush. Here, wait,
actually
you want to
bad.
say that again real quick? I just
Oh yeah, so if you're curious, the cereal is bad.
we don't really. It is not wasting cereal. Just already old cereal, so we're already.
kind of smells. So
Kind of see like it looks really crusty.
yeah, let me actually check.
We already.
Expiration date.
That's how much cereal we use.
Let me see where's the expiration date.
Because we were going to use like a fresh bag, and we decided we didn't want to do that.
Yeah, it was.
Just to be safe, because wasting food.
Yeah, December 9th, 21.
So that's already old cereal. So don't, for anyone in the comments who's going to do that, don't worry. This is old cereal. It already expired 4 years ago. Okay.
It expired in 2021. So
Old cereal. Don't worry.
that's so.
Old cereal. Not I pointed the vacuum. Just old cereal. That's old cereal. It expired.
Yeah.
All right. So don't worry, everybody. Old cereal.
Okay.
All right. Let's get this picked up. It doesn't have Wi-Fi, in case anyone's wondering.
Yeah, so I can actually, you know what? Here, let me show them the app actually.
Here, let me,
There's the app for it.
that's what the app looks like. His name's Bedroom Roomba. You can see how
I don't know
the
what
app.
to name it, so I just put bedroom Roomba on it.
Well, that's what that's name is. This is Bedroom Roomba. We should name that one Sharky. I'll let this one pick the rest up. It didn't get any.
Well, it also just have big pieces in it, so you'll filter it in.
I think it pretty much got it.
It did.
I'll let the shark get the.
It's pile.
Dude, it's pathetic pile.
Don't worry, I'll run these, like, empty the bender and then run.
So these were completely empty before we actually started this. So
And,
it's
and two, after the video, I'll run them in here and then clean the spot.
Yep.
Make
Make sure
sure all the
all of the pieces are gone. And next up is the shark. Well, picking up his pathetic pile. I'll get out of the way because I know it will detect me immediately. It almost did a better job than the Roomba did.
That's depressing.
It left that much behind.
It's coming back. Side brush action.
It just didn't.
Here.
I like the spot on the shark here. It did a little donut action for it.